Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we have a very special unboxing, something that came in, I believe from Divo Knives. Let's take a look. Alright, today we're opening up our box with my Andrew Demko 8020, USA made, CPM 20 CV, full flat grind DLT exclusive with original goat scales and a Lynch deep pocket carry clip and Lynch and Skiffs, of course. So very, very cool little knife. I enjoy this very much. Just recently got this built out. Definitely cool. Check out Original Goat, by the way. I have a link for an affiliate and below. And save yourself 15% when you order Original Goat stuff. Definitely worth checking out. All right, so let's take a look here. This is coming in from Divo Knives. I believe this is something he's going to be dropping very soon. And he would allowing some of us to get a chance to check it out a little bit early. So let's take a look. What do we have? All right, the Divo TallBoy. All right, and then we get a nice Divo cloth. And then we have this nice little packaging, right? So there we go. Let's take a look here. So, of course, you get a nice Divo cleaning cloth, which are always great to clean your knives with. And a nice sticker like that. All right, so here we go. Divo TallBoy, huh? All right. All right, so, okay, got an extra thumb stud, plain thumb stud. So that means I could change it out. A nice cleaning cloth. Is this a nice, yeah, that's nice. I like microfiber cloth. This is definitely worth saving. And here it is. It is a little different than before, and it's a little longer, a little bigger. All right, so we've got this beautiful, I love this carbon fiber. What the heck did he call this carbon fiber? Black pearl camo. Black pearl camo carbon fiber. All right, reversible clip, and it's got this nice milled titanium deep pocket clip that's reversible. You can put a wire clip in there if you want it. That's cool. Nice pivot collar there. A very simple but etched in design, which is one of my favorite way to do that. We've got thumb studs in here, and looks like you could theoretically probably take them out, but I don't know if that would look weird if you took them out. But it looks like it looks nice there as well. Oh, got a little spot right there just to kind of. Now this is not a giveaway knife. I bought this. This is a more premium knife, so. Okay, I will try to get that off here in a second. Let's see if we can get that off. There we go. All right. So this is going to be more of a personal carry, kind of a budget knife. I mean, for me, I shouldn't say budget knife. It's really not a budget knife, but it's more of a personal carry knife, right? I love that design. Nice long jimping on top. We've got nice chamfering all the way across. I love that there. Look at that carbon fiber. That's just really sick. The reflection is awesome. Super, super awesome. I like that. This looks like the lock bar. Okay, very cool. Okay, I like the clip. No sharp edges there. That's really nice. We've chamfered all the way across. All right, so let's go ahead and give it a flip. So we got thumb studs and we got a fuller. So let's do the thumb studs first. Ooh, nice big Wharncliffe reverse tanto modified, whatever you want to call it. Beautiful hollow grind. Nice thick coming to a nice pokey tip. Definitely very usable. Do we know what the steel is on this thing? Oh, S90V. Do you see that? S90V. That's nice. We've got a nice, big, robust steel bar insert. That's cool. Now, is that a steel bar insert, or is the whole thing just steel itself? That's cool. Hold on a second. Yeah, it is steel on steel. So this is a whole steel bar, right? Yeah, it is steel bar. Okay, very, very cool. Steel bar. All right, so full carbon fiber on the right. We got a liner on the left, so this is just a traditional liner lock. It's not an inset liner lock. It does have some weight relief in there, so that's nice, but it is a regular liner lock. I like this very thick little cut here. I don't know if this is folded over or if it's just, is it folded over? It makes me very curious. Sorry, I'm kind of enjoying I'm being nerdy here. All right, so nice chamfering on here. Make sure the edge is not sharp. Let's see, how does it drop? Does it clear enough where I'm not going to guillotine? Okay, I like that. I like that. Let's do the reverse. Okay. All right, so let's see. Where is the detent? The clutch? All right, so we cleared the clutch right there. Once we're there, we're cleared. All right, so it is a little, it's crisp. So for some of you guys who like really crisp, strong detents, this is definitely going to be in that. It's not traditionally a front flipper. I don't know if I can do this. I don't think I can without ripping myself. Yeah, it's really in there tight. So I don't think I can do a front flip on that. But it is dead nut centered. Yeah, absolutely dead nut centered. I like that. Steel around there. Black on there. Black on there. Very, very cool. Now, he had a Timascus kit where you could do a Timascus clip. Damascus backspacer. I think if I can get a hold of that, I'd very much like to do that. That's really cool. I think that would look nice on this thing. Yeah, very nice, very snappy, very cool left-handed. It is left and right hand tip up only, so you can, I mean, left and right hand tip up, so you can reverse it, which is nice. It's very friendly for lefty as well as for righty. So there you go. That's nice. Yeah, it does flick really nicely. Yeah, and the thumb studs work really well. I can just put my hand right there. Boom. Really nice. Executes nicely. Works well with the thumb over here as well, left-handed. Even with that nice cutout, you've got a good angle right there. You don't feel like it's going to catch your thumb and rip it. So it's a nice angle right there. And then of course over here, the angle is just, you're always good right in there. So once I'm right here, I can just go straight like that. And I mean, if you're tempted to go in here, it still works, right? But I think just putting your spot right where you think it will be natural, that works really well. It is breaking in. It is definitely a little nicer. We'll definitely put some skiffs on here right now. But I like it. I like it. All right, so you can full hand grip. I've got big, large, meaty hands, right? Extra large hands with regular size fingers, double extra large hands with smaller fingers. This is about where you're going to be. Got a little room, so definitely a double extra large, or extra large to maybe a double extra large, kind of hanging over a little bit. Big, meaty fingers here, but you've got a finger choil. And that finger choil, let's see, how does that work? Finger choil works pretty good. I got big, meaty fingers. I can get in there pretty safe. I'm clear of the blade, so that's nice. You don't want to just grab real high, right? You want to grab a little more conservatively back here like this. And of course, I think Cole from Tri-State, he loves the pinch grip. And I think this is probably, he's going to say all day, pinch grip all day long, I'm going to guess. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Yeah, so I think these are dropping somewhere. I'll have the date here. Definitely be in the link below. But these are going to be really cool. These are really cool. This is nice. I like this carbon fiber a lot. That's really, really, really nice. The back spacer. Very, very cool. There we go. Now it's starting to break in nicely. Dead center, everything. Really nice. Really nice. Positive vibes on this. And I know Kevin did some sort of stuff he puts on there and it kind of polishes it up nicely. I haven't done that, but I think it looks really nice like this as well. I think it's going to get the oils in there, it's going to shine up. Like if I put a little bit of a oil on there from just my hand here and stuff, you'll see how it starts to polish up a little bit. That's just from like my Carter kind of like feel, right? So nice. Yeah, I hope I can get the Damascus clip. I think that would be really cool. All right, that's a very nice little knife. I'm digging it. Good access here, nicely chamfered. It's not super sharp, so it's easy access. Not going to be tired getting there. I mean, it's a little stiff right now. There's no questions about that. So no worries there. It does open and close really nice. Now let's see here. Wait. Yeah, you can absolutely do a slow roll and the thumb stud slow roll. Absolutely, sure. Reverse flick, grip up, really nice. That jimping is, if you grab down, it's very, very strong. And if you go forward here, like if you wanted to put finger for a cut, definitely keeps you nice and situated. This will definitely be a very good, useful utility knife to keep your finger here for cuts. If you're cutting into something really specific and hard, that's really nice. I like that. All right, so let's go ahead and real quick, we're going to throw some skiffs in there. Why not? We have to. I'm sure Kevin's already done it. This is his knife, so Kevin and Colin. So there's no question that I know he's done it, but I'm going to do it too because I like skiffs. Wait, this is T8, right? Did I grab the T8? T8, okay. Let's make sure this is T8. Oh yeah, it was me being stupid. I was like, for a second, I thought, did I have the wrong size? Okay, so I got to make sure I've got good pressure. I don't want to strip anything. It's always a very frustrating thing when you do that. Okay, I thought I got it cleared. Now I know Kevin, when he switched his clip, he bent it a little bit because it was pretty tight. Now if you want to get it off and you're just blowing and going, very realistic. But I think if you're patient and you're willing to rock it, and sometimes I'm a little overly patient probably, but there's a way to get it out with a little bit more patience. You just got to rock it back and forth from the four corners to make sure it's nice, even pressure, right? And it's not always my favorite cup of tea, right? but there is a way to do that, right? So let's get this little liner off here. Now I do have my, where's my pry bar? Oh, here it is. It's a little iFixit pry bar, nothing fancy, but it just gets underneath here. So I can release that. Okay. So like over here, if that is on there, typically you can kind of work it out. You just work it out very gently. Very gently. And there you go. And so I moved it out without bending it, right? So, and it does fit in the grooves right there. So that's nice. Okay. I'm going to keep it in there. So there's no reason for me to take it out. I just wanted to show you, with a little bit of patience, so you don't have to worry about bending it and then having it be all loose there. There's a way to do that. It's not for everybody, right? Sometimes I get impatient too because it's like, come on, just get out, get out. All right, oh, there's our stop pin. We're going to keep that in there. Oh, actually, let's take it off real quick. I'm going to clean this real quick. Just make sure there's not any oil on there. S90V blade steel right there, right? Okay, so this is our steel on steel. So we are looking at, where are my skiffs? So I have my old skiffs, and where are my... Oh boy, I think my big package of skiffs are over here. Hold on a second. Typically, Kevin, Colin, if they are true to form, they use the 5mm. So I would expect this one right here. That would be too big, and then too small. Yeah, so 5mm. I don't know if I have any 5mm over here. Let's see. I did order some more 5mm, so, but I wasn't sure if I had a bunch over here. Yeah, I had all 3/16. Okay, so here's a new packet. I didn't integrate it in yet with my other packet, and I think I ordered like 4 or 5 of these. Yeah, there we go. 5mm 1/16. So these are the ones that normally take us. This one, Steve Skiff 5mm 1/16 12 ball count. This used to be the 11 ball count. This is my first time to get the 12 ball count, so I'm kind of excited about that. So that should be interesting. We'll see how that, if it makes any difference. And if it does, I might switch out some of my favorite knives that use that particular size, just for fun, to see how it works. I mean, his tolerances are so good that it really, it's not, you're not going to be gypped out by that one cage bearing, but it's always nice to have that extra cage bearing. Now, I assume these were 1/16. They're 1/16 width-wise, not 3. Yeah, 1/16. Okay, I just want to make sure. Didn't want to assume. Now I'm going to use the 85 nanoweight oil. I'll put that on the detent ball, which is right here. Oh, I don't want to go fast because it comes out pretty fast when it does. Then we'll put it in the track here. Oh, knocking. Boy, look at it. I got dominoes with oil over here. Dang it. All right. Everything stays in here, so we'll be good with that. Oh yeah, that was for the clip. I thought for a second I had an extra one. I was missing. Okay, there we go. We're going to put the pivot collar back on. I'll put the old cage bearings. Where do I put the other one? Oh, it's over here. Because I was just measuring it. That's right. Just want to make sure I didn't lose it or anything. Now, I'll put some Loctite on here once I know this fits in well. I just like to make sure it's in there first. As long as everything's nice and even, nothing's off. Because if my blade is not centered, sometimes it could be how I put it back together, right? Things aren't all there. So I reverse thread it so I hear a little click. That way I know my threads are lined up and I'm not going to strip them. You don't want to strip them. Line that one up here first. Make sure they're not spinning on the other side. So what's nice about this is plenty of access there. I don't feel it's any pressure on there, so it works really nicely. So I think we're good as far as I'm concerned there. So no issues there with that. Let me get the oil out of the way here. I think we're all good with that. All right, we'll put this away. I may put some Loctite in later on. I use 242, by the way, if you're curious for the Loctite. Just a itty bitty drop on the threads, and that's it. But I think we need to wrap it up because I am wanting to just kind of talk about the knife. So I put skiffs in here, a little bit of oil. This will break in nicely. It'll be a little smoother. It does already feel not as gritty and a little smoother, that's for sure. So I can already feel that. Pretty nice. I think that's really cool. Yeah, very, very nice. All right, so let's go ahead. This is the Divo Knives TallBoy. Let's go ahead and do a nice close-up so you can see that beautiful hollow grind right there. Right, with the camo what's the carbon again? I want to make sure I call it correct. Black pearl camo. Black pearl camo. So that's kind of nice, right? Black pearl camo right there. All right, and we'll look at the back of the blade here with the nice clip and everything. I think that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. All right, do a quick zoom in here real quick at the blade. So here's the hollow grind. You can see that beautiful hollow grind across. Nice jimping on top here. There's the thumb studs that I could replace out if I wanted to. Here's the nice, beautiful little captive pivot with the DK knives right there. You can see all the hardware, all T8s, which is nice. I like that. Then look at the back here. Here's the clip that is reversible. And you could probably put a Spyderco wire clip in there if you wanted to, too. And there's the lock bar. You can see that. Nicely engaged at a good, I'm going to say 50%, you know, somewhere around there. Nice big bar engages there. It is a liner lock. You can see some weight relief inside there, at least on this side. This is all camo carbon on this side. You can see there's the S90V. And then let's go on the, so we looked at this side, the blade side over here. There's no billboarding. Nice and simple. I like that. I like that a lot. I think that's really cool on both sides. So yeah, there you go. That is the Divo Knives TallBoy. I have to say, so far, one of my more favorite knives. I like the simplicity of this knife, and I like the functionality of this knife. So very, very cool. All right, so very good. Hey, if you have any questions about this, let me know. Let me know if you have any questions about the knife. I will have, you know, when he's dropping this. Thought this would be a cool knife for you guys to check out. So this is the Divo Knives TallBoy. Hey, appreciate you guys checking this out. If you have any questions for me, let me know. But if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, or entertaining, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, would you please consider hitting the subscribe button? Subscribing and liking the videos really helps out the channel, allows the channel to produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you. Thank you to everybody who watches the videos, who likes the videos, who subscribes, who enjoys the content. I'm humbled and appreciative for every one of you guys who watches the live streams, who just comments, who just enjoys watching. Really, thank you. Thank you so much. If you haven't already, hit that notification button down below so you can be notified of future content like this video. And to all my channel members, a big thank you. I do a couple of things for my channel members to say thank you because the channel members have been so generous with the memberships lately. So I make sure I have a very generous once a month members giveaway. It's not just like a little awesome budget knife, but it is a more premium knife, right? It's a nicer knife. It's definitely not just a budget knife. So that's my small way to say thank you. And I make sure it's something worth your time, worth your while. And so, you know, that's one way. The other way is all brand new channel members. I make sure you all get a channel member sticker. So if you email me with your name and address, I will mail you a channel member sticker, my small way to say thank you. So yeah, if you're a brand new channel member, email me. Also, if you've been a channel member all this time and you're a member currently, or if you were a channel member before and became a member again and are a member currently, and you never got a channel member sticker, you never asked for one, email me too. I'd love to mail you a channel member sticker. That's a personal way for me to say thank you. And if any of that sounds interesting, you thought, hey, I'd like to be a channel member. I just like to support your channel, or, oh, I'd like to give away, or, hey, I want a channel member sticker. There's a link down below in the description for 3 different tiers. I would love to have you. Don't ever feel obligated, but I would be honored if you became a channel member. Thank you. And also, you know, thank you to everybody. Just know that. If you haven't already, check me out on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.